Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Zoho CRM with Zoho campaigns so you can sync your leads and automate your email marketing efforts in 2026. Let's get into it. First, locate the marketplace settings. The first step is finding the centralized hub where Zoho Books manages its connections to other applications in the Zoho ecosystem. From your Zoho Books home screen, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down the sidebar until you see the Integrations section. Underneath it, click on Marketplace. In 2026, the Marketplace acts as the App Store for your accounting software. Navigating here allows you to see which Zoho apps are already connected and which ones are available for a one-click integration, ensuring you don't have to leave the Books interface to expand your toolkit. Next, search and connect Zoho campaigns. Once you are in the marketplace, you need to find the specific marketing bridge that will sync your financial contacts. In the marketplace search bar, type Zoho Campaigns. When the app appears, click on Connect or Show Details to open the integration page. Zoho's 2026 architecture uses a single sign-on sync. By searching for campaigns directly within the marketplace, you ensure that you are connecting the two apps using your existing Zoho credentials, which automatically authorizes the data flow between your customer invoices and your marketing lists. Once connected, you can start mapping your fields, such as email, contact name, and company, and choose your sync frequency like weekly or daily before initiating. In 2026, mapping is the most important part of the CRM to marketing bridge. By telling Zoho exactly which customer fields to sync, you can create targeted email segments based on real financial data, like high-value customers or active vendors, making your marketing much more personalized and effective. And that's pretty much it. To integrate your accounts in 2026, start at the Zoho Books home screen, go to Settings, and scroll down to Integrations. Click on Marketplace, search for Zoho Campaigns, and hit Connect. Finally, map your fields and initiate the sync to start moving your customer data into your marketing lists automatically. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.